Hey friends, if you wish to install Microsoft MSIX packaging tool on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So this is an application and it is available on the Microsoft Store. So search for Store in the Windows search bar and then go to Microsoft Store. Okay, and then you can search for MSIX here and click on MSIX packaging tool. Okay, click on install and let it install the packaging tool. It will need a while because it is not a small application, but it will need a while and then it will be installed. And once it is installed, you can just click on open and you can access it. Let me show you the whole process. It is just installed. We will click on open. Okay. And then in a few seconds, it will launch the application. As you can see, you have to click on accept and then the packaging tool is here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.